How do you show up for your art? Do you create from a place of emotion, or do you just create from a place of expectation? See, there's a big difference. If you've ever looked at a painting in a store or a gallery, and you'll notice that there's one or two that may just grab you and they pull you in. There is something there that connects to you at an emotional level, even if you can't verbalize it. It could be the color just provokes something in you, the movement of the lines or the patterns, any of that, it just really intrigues you. And then you'll notice there are other paintings that are simply marks on the canvas and they just do nothing for you. And when we create, we definitely don't want that in our art, but it begs the question, how do you do that? Well, here's the big secret. You have to start from a place of emotion in order to provoke that from the viewer. So if I'm just painting a painting that is, well, I want to paint a barn because I want to practice how barns are, and abstract it a little bit, or paint this scene and just maybe smudge things to make it feel abstract, do you really think that that's going to pull someone in? No, it's not. They are intuitively going to connect with something deeper beyond that, something that is more in line at an emotional level. So when you start with that approach, you're just going to fall flat from the start, from the get-go, right? Because there really isn't anything behind it than a random, haphazard, I'm just going to make some marks. I'm going to paint this horizon line, but I'm just going to smudge it and there, that's it. That's abstract. Like that's enough, right? People know we connect. And if you can't even connect with it because it doesn't provoke something in you, then no one else is going to either. So if you want to create art that is gonna bring about a feeling, well, you have to start with that feeling. What do you want to feel? What is the emotion that you want to provoke in it? It may not be the same one that the viewer sees, but it doesn't matter because that's their own journey. They will pick up on that emotion. And starting with a point of emotion, I could take that same horizon scene and instead of just, choosing any old color, I'm going to take a moment to connect with those colors, connect with what I want to feel when I look at that painting, and then I'm going to start laying everything down. And you will be surprised at the intensity that you can feel just from that alone and the difference it makes. So start with an emotion and not just an expectation, and you will see a complete difference in the connection of your art.